In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust the spacing between multiple frames in Figma using auto layout. This is a quick and reliable way to create consistent spacing between screens, cards, sections, or any other frames in your design. Instead of moving each frame manually and trying to match the distance by eye, you can select everything at once, apply auto layout, and enter the exact spacing value you need. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more practical Figma tips and design tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your Figma file and navigate to the canvas where your frames are located. These can be any frames you want to arrange with equal spacing. For example, you might have several mobile screen frames placed next to each other or multiple content sections that need a consistent gap between them. Before applying auto layout, make sure you select all of the frames you want to space out. You can do this by clicking and dragging around the frames or by holding Shift and clicking each frame individually. Be careful to select the frames themselves rather than selecting unrelated objects on the canvas. Once all the required frames are selected, press Shift and A on your keyboard. This is the shortcut for adding an auto layout frame in Figma. As soon as you use the shortcut, Figma will place the selected frames inside a new auto layout container. Depending on the arrangement of your selected frames, Figma may organize them horizontally or vertically. You can adjust the direction later if necessary, but the important thing is that the frames are now controlled by auto layout. Now look over to the right-hand sidebar. With the new auto layout frame selected, find the gap field. This field controls the spacing between the child frames inside the container. Click inside the gap box and type the exact spacing value you want to use. For example, you could enter 16 pixels for a compact layout, 24 pixels for a standard gap, or any other value that matches your design system. After entering the number, press Enter on your keyboard. Figma will immediately update the layout and apply the same spacing between all of the selected frames. This is much more accurate than manually dragging each frame into position because every gap is controlled by one value. If you change your mind later, simply select the auto layout container again, return to the gap field and enter a new value. You can increase the spacing to create more breathing room or reduce it to make the design more compact. The change will be applied consistently across all of the frames inside the container. Auto layout is especially useful when you plan to add, remove, or rearrange frames later. Since the spacing is based on a layout rule, the surrounding frames can automatically adjust instead of requiring you to reposition everything manually. It also helps keep your designs organized and makes it easier to follow a consistent spacing system throughout your Figma project. If the spacing does not look correct, check that you selected the correct frames before applying auto layout. Also, make sure you are editing the gap value for the auto layout container rather than changing the padding around the outside of the container. Gap controls the distance between the frames, while padding controls the space between the frames and the edges of the parent container. Once you have entered your exact value and confirmed it with Enter, your frames should now have evenly distributed spacing, and that's how to adjust spacing between multiple frames in Figma. Select the frames, press Shift and A to add auto layout, find the gap field in the right sidebar, enter your spacing value, and press Enter. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more Figma tutorials, UI design tips, and workflow shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.